Talking about inspirations, guys, today I'm going to inspire you. So today I have a friend here who is going to introduce herself and tell us what she does. Welcome back to Motivation with Brenda. This is a channel where you get all the life lessons, life motivation, and life inspirations that will make sure that you never give up in life. So guys, today, as you can see, I have a guest here. I'm going to let her introduce herself.
So thank you so much for the chance. I am Phildah and I do the crocheting. I do the muffins, berets, I do the gloves, leg warmers. So this is called a neck warmer, but I can also do the scarves.
Currently in Kenya, most people are unemployed, so this is like an opportunity for you to make money. Before we even get into the videos, I know somebody must be wondering, how did you start?
Okay, it was by a motivation, and even having the ad during the COVID period where people were not doing anything. I learned on YouTube tutorials, and even by the help of a friend who does the same, I came to know about it, and it has really helped me. Yeah.
So what about the capital? How much capital is needed for somebody to start such the crochet business? You know, there's no money currently, and maybe somebody wants to start this biz, but they're not sure about the capital that they need to start the same business.
First, you need to have a clear thinking, because it doesn't require so much as people may think. Around even 1,000 for the start, so that you can get your yarns. It's not expensive. Yeah.
Okay, so guys, without further ado, without so much talking, subscribe to this channel. You can visit her channel at Phildah and subscribe. So without so much talking, let's get into the video. We're going to show you the products that we have here from the ones that are ready to showcase. So we're going to show you guys. You can rate the items on the comment sections, and if you have any concern, if you want to make an order, just comment. So guys, we're presenting the first product that Phildah has.
So guys, this is a neck warmer. It's a unique one. When you see the colors, it's having some complexities, so it does providing enough warmth for you. So this one goes at 450. All my items come in various colors depending on what the client needs. This is the second item. It's of crocodile style because of its pattern, and even the neck is not like the latter one. So this one goes at 500 shillings, and it also comes in various colors. This is another one, crocodile style, but the variance between this one and this one has a pull neck. So this one goes at 550, while this one goes at 500.
So guys, those were the neck warmers. So next we are going to move to the ponchos. So ponchos are good for the cold season. At least I know that about ponchos.
These are black and white ponchos, you can see. These are medium-sized poncho, which goes at 1,200.
So guys, as she puts on that one, that is my favorite. I love that one so much. I don't know, I think she'll tell us why I love it as she prepares to show us. Ebu model Arakisha.
So these I made specifically for Brenda, and that's why she's so happy and fascinated about it. It's gray and white. You see, these ponchos come according to your order, so we can make any, whichever that you wish. So if you can see, we have the ends. They look nice. It also has a ribbon, which is not put here, and some puff. So this also goes at 1,200 because it's not too big, it's medium size.
So guys, before we go to this last video, I don't know if you can just lift it up so people can see the lower parts. So Mia was of the idea that those things are so long. She said that they are okay. I don't know what you think. Should they be made a little bit shorter or they be left that way, because for me I think it will look really pretty if these tails are a little bit shorter. Let me know what you think on the comment section.
So this is the third poncho. It's the biggest poncho, and it goes at 1,500. And so it's an off shoulder because I've not done with it yet. I want to put some collars, but again it can be an off shoulder as according to the preference of the clients. So this is my best poncho so far because it's so big, it's so warm.
I think those are so far the only products that you have right here, right?
Yeah.
One thing that is unique about them is that they are handmade. They're not purchased of anything. She makes them from scratch. If you prefer personalized items, I think this is the best option for you guys. Yeah, so guys, what else? If you want to put your order, you can just check the description of this video for the contact, or for her contact, for her social media. But just for the sake of that person that wants to hear the first hand information from the host on social media, where should they get you?
You can get me on Instagram at Phildah Quit. You can get me on Facebook at Phildah Mahaha. It's PHILDAH. So type that. When you see another big name, Mahaha, go for that. So you'll get the prizes there too. So you're welcome to look at my products and you're welcome to purchase. Thank you.
Yeah, so guys, that was part of Inspiration by Brenda. So if you're feeling like you're tired, you've been job hunting for so long but doors are not opening up, even if you have this little capital that you have, just try out something new. You don't have to have a lot of capital so that you can start a business or something. Just start with what you have. If you have a skill, use that skill. If you have a talent, use that talent to bring food to your table. Nobody will feed you for free, so you have to take the first step, take action, because you are the driver of your life. Nobody will control your life for you, so always take the first step. So Phildah, what can you tell people of Motivation with Brenda, your inspiration, anything that you want them to know, and what you think about Motivation with Brenda?
All right, one thing is that let nobody discourage you. You know, you may be hunting jobs, but we have so much information on YouTube. So go get anything that you find good for your hand. This channel is a motivation to young people like us. I encourage you people to really support this channel because it's been helpful. You see, for me, I didn't know like any time like this I will be on this channel, but now I am. So there is no limit. Get what you wanna get. Go as far as you can. Let nobody discourage you. You're always the best version of yourself. Go for the best. Yeah,
so guys, as you have heard, don't forget to check her channel out. Her channel is
Phildah Mahaha.
Yeah, you check out her channel, Instagram handle at Phildah Quit. On Facebook, you can get her at Phildah Mahaha and order. You guys, I think let me just get it. I think you've seen me in this before. In my previous like 2 videos, I believe you've seen me in this, and this thing is very warm. I like it during the cold season because you cannot feel any cold with this. So I can assure you that these things are so quality. They are of good quality. So make your order today. If you fear getting in contact with her directly, you can have me. I can be your middle person. So don't be afraid. Don't get pneumonia or something. Order yours today.
Sure, order yours, and it'll be warm. You see, it's very, very warm and comfortable.
Yeah. So guys, that was it for today. We are waiting for your orders. Till the next video, guys.
Cheers.
Bye-bye.